Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. Can I have your resume?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Your name Shashikala,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, Shashikala, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, ma'am. First of all, I want to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm Shishikala. I'm from Varnasilipuram, and I did my BTech in the stream of computers at BSR Engineering College with an aggregate of 70%. So coming to my technical skills, I'm good at Code Java. After that, I educated in SQL, HTML, CSS, and JDBC, servlets, like that, ma'am. And coming to my short-term goal, I want to be placed in a good reputed company. And after that, I want to see myself in a good place where I can feel my parents can feel proud of me. And coming to my hobbies are I like drawing and designing.
Okay, what are your strength and weakness?
My strength is I can adapt to any environment quickly, ma'am. So I can work to any extreme. So I can handle pressure situations also. And my weakness is I can't sleep without doing that work completely, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move to the technical now?
Yeah, ma'am, definitely.
Okay. What is the difference between open session and current session?
In open session, once the session is, once the operations are done, the session is closed defaultly. But in open session, we have to close the session. But in get current session, once the operations are completed, it will close the session itself defaultly.
Okay. What is Hibernate caching and explain Hibernate first level caching?
So Hibernate caching, the main benefit is it will improve the performance of the application. And in first level of caching, we'll have a session objects. So it is defaultly activated. But in second level of caching, session factory is included. So we have to enable it explicitly.
Okay. What are the different states of an entity being?
Entity being, we have three states. One is transient, persistent, and detached. In transient state, the object will be just created, but there will be no session associated with the application. So if you make any changes to the database, that will be not saved or updated. In persistent state, object is associated, that is a session is associated with the database. So if we make any changes to the database from applications, they will be saved in the database. So in detach, the session is object session is closed. So after that also, if you make any changes to the database, they will be not saved.
Okay. What are the collection types in Hibernate?
So we have five types of collections: list, set, array, map, and ban.
Okay. How to implement joins in Hibernate?
So there are three ways. First one is using associations, that is one to one, one to many to many, and many to one. And the second one is using HQL, joins with HQL query. And the third one is using a native API, native SQL query with using join keyword.
Okay. What is HQL and what are its benefits?
So HQL, it is a Hibernate query language. So it is an independent database language. So we use this to perform bulk operations.
Okay. Can we execute native SQL query in Hibernate?
Yeah, ma'am, we can execute. So there is an option with which we can use native SQL. That is with SQL query objects, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, Shashikala. This is from my side. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am. Can I know my feedback?
Yes, your explanation was good and your confident level also good.
Okay, ma'am.
All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you, ma'am.